Today, I'll show you how to host a simple static website using Google Drive. This method is best for basic sites made up of just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. It's not meant for complex web apps or anything that needs a database, but it can work nicely for quick demos, portfolios, or testing simple pages. Before we start, make sure you already have your website files ready on your computer. At a minimum, you'll want an HTML file, usually called index.html, and optionally some CSS and JavaScript files. If your site uses images or other assets, keep those in their folders as well, just like you would on a normal web server. Folder structure matters, so don't rename or move files once everything is working. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, it's a good idea to create a new folder just for your website. This helps keep things organized. You can name it something like My Static Site or anything that makes sense to you. Open that folder so you're inside it. Now upload your website files into this folder. You can drag and drop the files from your computer straight into Google Drive, or use the New button and choose File Upload to select your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and any images or other assets. Wait for the uploads to finish completely. You'll know they're done when there's no progress bar and all files appear normally in the folder. The next step is to locate your main HTML file. For most websites, this will be called index.html. This is the file that should load first when someone visits your page. In your Drive folder, find that file and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Share. A sharing window will open. Here, you need to change who can access this file. Look for the option that controls link sharing. Change it so that anyone with the link can view the file. This is important because if you leave it restricted, other people won't be able to see your website. Once you've set it to anyone with the link, confirm or save your changes. Still in that same window, you should now see a link that you can copy. This is the shareable link to your main HTML file. Click Copy Link so it's saved to your clipboard. Now you have a direct link that you can use to access your hosted page. Open a new browser tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Your HTML file should load, and as long as your CSS, JavaScript, and image paths are correct, your site should appear and behave just like a simple hosted website. You can share this link with others so they can view your page. Just remember, this approach is limited. It's mainly suited for static, lightweight sites and quick previews, not for production-level hosting. If you outgrow this setup, consider moving to a dedicated hosting service. But for quick tests or simple static content, this Google Drive method gives you a fast way to get your page online and shareable with just a few clicks.